This video will go over two new columns that we are adding for the 2018.0 release. In this release, we'll be adding a column called Manufacturer Name and a column called Catalog Name. The reason that we're adding these columns is to make it easier for you to create specifications and quotes for your end user, for your customers. The three character combinations that are used for manufacturer and catalog are easy to understand if you look at them and work with them every day. Customers, though, don't usually know this information. So when you print out a worksheet or a report for them, you need to interpret what those codes mean. They may not understand that STC stands for Steelcase or KNO stands for Knoll. So you need to explain to your customers who makes these items and what catalogs they come from for their information. In this worksheet, I already have some items in here and they actually have these fields populated. So I'm going to turn these columns on. They're in the catalog info section. Manufacturer name is directly below the regular manufacturer column, and catalog name is directly below the catalog column. This worksheet that I'm working in was created with 2018.0. If you are using a worksheet that is prior to 2018.0, these two columns will appear at the bottom of the catalog info list. If you're looking at a standard list of columns, the two new columns will be at the very bottom of the list. Now that I have these checked on, I'm going to hit OK and it turns them on. So I have a few items from a few different catalogs that have this information in them. You'll see the manufacturer name in the catalog name column. For instance, you'll see that I have an item from KI. It shows KI for the manufacturer and Classroom Furniture for the catalog name. We will have a core set of manufacturers and their catalogs updated to contain the manufacturer name and catalog name at the time of the 2018.0 release. These bits of information are being built into the catalogs for each individual item as catalogs are updated. All catalogs are not updated every month. As manufacturers update their content, the items from those catalogs will display this information within Worksheet. For items that do not have this information, that are from catalogs that have not been updated yet, it is easy enough to type in the information manually. I will bring an item here in from AIS. And you'll see that the manufacturer name field for this item is empty. Catalog name is populated. We were able to leverage information that was already available within the catalog to populate the catalog name column for items. So for most items you bring in, you'll already have the catalog name. The manufacturer name will be added as the content is updated. But when you find an item that doesn't have the manufacturer name, but you do want to include it inside of the worksheet or your report, you can simply type it in. The drawback of manually typing it in is that when you do an update against catalog, since this is catalog data, this value will be overwritten and it'll become empty. So an update clears that field. So I'm going to go here and apply a report template that I created ahead of time. This template is going to group items by manufacturer. So here we see the items. So here we see the item's manufacturer name displayed at the top of the group. And then within each item, I have the catalog name next to the item. Here's one from KI, shows one item from one catalog, another item from a different catalog. Having this information within your reports and your printed worksheets will make it easier for your customers to understand what it is that they're ordering from you. In addition to having these columns inside of Worksheet, they are also available inside of Report Designer. So we'll see here in product detail, we have manufacturer name and catalog name. So that covers the two new columns, manufacturer name and catalog name. I hope you enjoy and use this feature. Have a good day.